Bozark! Animal Jam Superstar just in time!
Bozark time! Mr. B is in the house. Blossoming, blooming, Bozark Kid. Oh yeah! Mary, quite contrary. How does your garden grow? Bozark knows. With water, sun, and plenty of air, and a little something called tender love and care. Now this cat is spinning from end to end. Caterpillar spinning, that is, my friend. Spinning, wrapping around his cocoon. Pulling tight to the beat of the tune. Getting ready for the caterpillar transformation. Getting ready for the Bozark celebration. This cat's taking his time, not even showing us one little sign. Grow, Bozark, grow steady. Grow out of that cocoon when you're good and ready. Grow, Bozark, grow, Bozark, grow, Bozark, grow, Bozark. Springing, sprung. Yeah, into a butterfly. This butterfly's taking his new wings and learning to fly. Bozark has waited for this moment to arrive. Yeah, fly, Bozark, fly. Now let's get Bozark in. Everybody, flap your wings. Dance, that's B for blossom, and B for be creative, be yourself, be whatever you wanna be, and you'll be Bozarkin' too.